Welcome to Moneyworks4me. World Cup 2018 is on. This time it is being played in Russia and we are lucky to get to watch it at convenient times. Hope you are enjoying it. We are running a campaign on what football can teach you about stock investing. And the first thing that it teaches us is that you cannot take anything for granted. Germany, the defending champions, got ousted at the group stage. Something that has not happened in the last 80 years. So, what can we learn from football? First, that the game is played between two teams, each trying to defend goals being scored against them while trying to score goals. In stock investing, you and your portfolio is one team playing against the market, which is the second formidable team. Football is played by a team of 11 players who play in different positions: goalkeeper, defenders, midfielders and forwards, and they have different responsibilities. We can draw a direct analogy from how these players perform different roles and how different stocks in your portfolios need to do the same. No football team can win with only defenders, and nor can they win with only forwards. Football and stock investing both need a judicious combination. This is the first page you will land on, where you will see the 4 different playing positions and companies that fit the description of each one of them. Forwards are high growth companies. They increase in a short time when the economy is doing well, but can also drop sharply during tough times. Midfielders are companies that are well established and still growing above average rates. Defenders are companies that have stable earnings even in tough economic conditions. You will see that list on 6th July. Goalkeepers, the last position, are companies that protect your portfolio from a loss in adverse market conditions. The last list you will see on 9th July. Now, when you want to build your own portfolio, you can select these companies by clicking on the plus signs and then go to your portfolio. You will see them under My Team. Let's see how to use this page to learn about how to build a winning portfolio. This page is built with an investment of 10 lakhs of rupees done on 15 June 2010, which is the date of the World Cup held in South Africa, which was won by Italy. Now the 4 companies that you have added to your team have obviously a 25% allocation made to each company. The 4 companies that you added to your team have a performance as shown in this table. The first one has given a returns of 58%, however has a drawdown of 35%. Drawdown is the fall from the highest price, which means that Astral Polytechnic has dropped by more than 1/3 from its peak price. Similarly, if you were to select all the players in the forwards team, this is what the performance would look like. You can see a summary of this performance in the top section of this page. My team with 4 players has given 45% CAGR returns, 54% rolling returns, but a 33% drawdown. An all forwards team has lesser returns, 36%, rolling returns also lesser, and drawdown is much the same. As you get the list of different companies, and by 9th July you will get all the 44 companies in this team, you will be able to select different companies and build your team as a good combination of forwards, midfielders, defenders and goalkeepers. Do that and check what would be the performance of your new team against all midfielders kind of a team. Soon you will also get from Moneyworks4me the team that we think is a good combination of all the 4 types of companies, and you will be able to see what returns and drawdown that portfolio would have given you. Hopefully it will show excellent returns with low drawdowns. This will ensure that you stay invested, which is more important than trying to earn a couple of points of extra returns. That is the game that you can play on this page. These recommendations are real and valid for the future period. The companies recommended under each category fit the description for the future period too, and therefore when you create your team, you actually create a portfolio that could work well in the future. Now, before investing, you may want to see some useful and important data. So click on the company name and you will be able to see a detailed company X-ray with extremely useful but easy to use processed information. You can always call us on Pucho Befikar and get your doubts clarified, and we'll be happy to do that. So follow our social media pages to get updated on what's happening here, and we will keep you updated through blog posts and mails. Enjoy playing the stock investing game and watching football. Thank you.